oh careless love, you see what love has done to me. Howdy, howdy. Howdy, 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 howdy. Here's a song called Careless Love. Goes way back, who knows where. Back to the 1800s, I believe. It kind of got into popular music and eventually into bluegrass music. I just was listening to Doyle Lawson do it. So what I was going at here was this. Okay, capo 2, G tuning. I'm playing out of G position. But this is a 4 chord, a C. And this is a 4 minor. That comes up in this tune and makes it, it's kind of the hook of the song. So you get this rundown as you're going through the chord progression for 4 C, C minor, 4 minor, 1, this is a G. G from the capo, remember always from the capo I'm talking. All right, so this one has no slides, no pull-offs, no hammer-ons, so it's great for first year banjo students. And introducing that 4 minor, the C minor, just an added little thing you should tuck in your back pocket because you'll probably see it somewhere else. All right, the melody goes, well, you just heard me sing it. Careless love, oh careless love, careless love. That's the first line of the tab. Tag lick. You've heard that one before. This one without the slide. Second line of the lyrics. The 2-4 to 2-4, I call it 2-4-D. 2nd fret, 3rd string, 4th fret, 4th. Back to G or open. I got a 1st fret, 2nd string for melody. Careless, love, careless. The 4 chord. Right there. Back to open. That is it, but there is all kind of rules in here. I start off the open 2nd at the very beginning with the thumb. It's a melody note. You can use your index. Thumb is a little stronger, so it brings out. Now remember, all these, especially without slides and hammers and so forth, you're playing just notes, and you've got all these notes, but there's a melody in there. There are melody notes in there. And if you listen to the song enough, it'll be in your head. So you either have to consciously bring out, find the melody notes in the tab, without the surrounding notes. So you have to bring out those melody notes. Those on the first measure. Again. Careless love, oh careless love. Back to open. Careless. First string is the melody. Love, oh careless. 4 chord. Love. this minor, 4 minor, except right here, the last note of that measure of the 4 minor. You see what love has done to me. So from the 4 minor, melody. Easy once you know how. Okay, great old tune. Yeah, bring those melody notes out. This is the whole trick of bluegrass banjo playing. Start slow, listen to it performed, get the tab, slow this video down if you have to of my banjo playing of it, and follow the tab, print the tab, follow the tab along. And sooner or later you will hear it yourself as you play slowly and gradually speed up. All right, see you next time.